Hi, it's Annie from Webbers in Braunton. Have you ever dreamed of owning your own property but feel the costs are out of reach? Shared ownership could be the key to stepping onto the property ladder. I'm here at 2 Marshland Court at Chivenor, a 2-bedroom ground floor apartment, to tell you more about shared ownership and to show you this lovely apartment, which is a 50% shared ownership property. In the UK, shared ownership is designed to make home ownership more affordable. It's perfect for first-time buyers or those who can't afford to buy a home outright. Here's how it works. With shared ownership, you buy a share of the property. For this property, it's 50%, and you pay rent on the rest, which is owned by a housing association or developer. You can choose to increase the share gradually and buy more shares over time, a process called staircasing. To get started, you'll need a mortgage or savings for your share and meet eligibility criteria like household income limits. These are depending on where you live, so check with your local housing association or contact us and we can help with this. Your monthly costs will include your mortgage payment, a reduced rent on the house unsold share, and a service charge if you're in leasehold property such as this one. Shared ownership gives you the stability of home ownership at a lower upfront cost, helping you build a future in a place you can call your own. Want to know more? Visit our website or call our Braunton office and we will explore whether shared ownership is right for you.